Sexual and asexual reproduction. Okay. An advantage is that you're going to have genetic variation with sexual reproduction. It is going to be a longer process. Asexual, you do not need a mate. It's going to be quick. The disadvantage, it's going to be a quick turnaround on offspring. The disadvantage is that every offspring is alike. There is no genetic diversity. Okay. Ecological succession. In my before picture, I have a pond. And you can see my little shrubs here are supposed to match. Afterwards, there's no pond, and we have some trees that have grown. Competition. We have some questions in terms of what animals compete for certain foods. Then we have some adaptations. These are just a few adaptations that we've had. Birds have different beaks. Some birds and insects have wings. They also have hollow bones to allow them to be lighter to fly. The difference between lungs and gills is an adaptation. I did not go through these definitions for you. That was on my list to do, and I did not do before I left. Short and long-term environmental changes. Animal with little fur would have to either adapt and grow more fur or would become extinct on a long term. On a short term, plants in a pond would not grow for a season depending on the flood, but could return afterwards. Page 3. Your Venn diagram. I told you this one you have to fill out at the top. Okay, so you have the cell membrane, the Golgi body, the vacuole, the nucleus, the nucleolus, the endoplasmic reticulum, the cytoplasm, the mitochondria, and the ribosomes. And you have whether they are in plant and animal cells, and what their main function is. This one here just talks about the evolutionary process, which we did not go into. That's okay. These are the types of things that the adaptation can turn into. You have from the top left, leaves, bottom left, insects, bottom middle, tool using finch, bottom right, grubs, top right, buds and fruit. Your worksheets, I actually found this one to be pretty fun. You're determining the diatomaceous key, which is classification, through taxonomy. Okay. So what you've done here is you've gone through and you've organized it by kingdom of having feet and no feet. Then you go through the phylum, the class, the order, the family, the genus, and the species. So we asked you, these are all the answers that you should have. On number 5,